management, I learned the supply chain major drivers. They have a major driver of supply chain, which is in the production, that refers the ability and storage compatibility or of a supply chain involves the question that was the industry looking for a what is demand of the product, and the inventory that what stock should be stored, location in the facility where the manufacturing and stock storage can be located. Uh, it's a transportation, what what or how the product can be transferred for another place to or one place to another. What mode of transportation is easier to the product that demand of the consumer? And lastly, the information of the knowledge that we should know to improve other drivers to be efficiently to transfer the product to consumer. And supply chain drivers are the key factors that affected the performance of supply chain, responsiveness of the product, and the cost. It includes the facilities where products are made, stored, and processed, the number of location and capacity of the balancing responsiveness, and the efficiency, the inventory of the raw materials, the transportation of the movement of the goods between the different stage, and information or a data related to supply chain operation, including the order, shipment, and the customer demand, sourcing and pricing decision of one will supply, and pricing strategies include the price of the product and cost of different supply chain activities. Also, discuss the main participant of the supply chain, which is the supplier that can deliver goods, can supply goods and material to consumer, to restaurant, and who provide the raw materials, manufacture, and that convert raw materials or component into finished products, and the distributor that handle the storage and the movement of the goods from the manufacturers to retailers of direct consumer. And the retailers of the final point of the sale, it's the supply chain. Lastly, destination. The distributor or the supplier is the handling the supply, the raw materials, and the finished product na direct to the customer or the last consumer. It can be the consumer of the product, and they demand product. The demand drivers the flow of the goods. The demand driver is the one of responsive to be the one who use or one who give us the flow of the goods and heavily influence the decision made for other participants.